when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like
from me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all.
What's up, YouTube? So I know y'all haven't seen me in a minute, but I'm doing a little vlog this weekend. It's gonna be like a little chill vlog this weekend. Not really too much, but I just got done getting my hair cut. You know, a little some slight. I just got my hair cut, and then my pops just dropped off my package. And they damaged my package. So I hope nothing in here is damaged or nothing like that. But I'm praying nothing is damaged. But bro, yeah. So I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm gonna go out of zone, and today I'm changing my brakes and just fixing my car today because I'm not really doing much today. Tomorrow I am, and Sunday I am. So just stay tuned for all that. So I just got my food. And my fast self just sitting here just eating in the car. Like I didn't even make it to AutoZone yet. Or where else I was going? Or my pop's house yet. I didn't even make it to AutoZone or my pop's house yet. My fast self just in the car eating, but look at this. Look at this. Y'all see this? Bro, wait. Of course I start eating when I got in the car. What? Of course. Y'all don't see this, bro? Bro, I'm hungry. I haven't ate all day, so don't judge, man. Like, haven't ate all day. Don't judge, man. I'm gonna talk to y'all later when I get to wherever I'm going, because honestly, I'm just about to sit here and eat my food in the car. So I see y'all at AutoZone or my pop's house. So, okay, yeah, so I'm at AutoZone right now. I'm picking up some parts. Right now, I'm looking at air filters. Trying to find which one I need for my car. So, yeah, that's where I'm at right now. So yeah, I'll talk to y'all later when I get to my pop's house. What's up, y'all? So I made it home and I'm on the ground because I'm working on my car. Whew. This shit is not easy. My pops just went in the house. He just came out here and helped me on one of these because I couldn't get it. But I got the rest out by myself, but it was just one that wasn't getting it out. But this is the second tire I'm working on. The first tire, I couldn't get it. Oh, Lord. I couldn't get it all the way out because the screw was messed up. It's called strip. The screw was stripped. I think that's what it's called. So yeah, so I couldn't get it out. My bad, I'm out of breath. I don't know where to hold the phone at. But yeah, I'm on the second tire. I'm lifting up in the air right now as we speak. So yeah. I didn't forget about y'all. I mean, I can watch me struggle if I want to.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them put the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, purple. I reckon.
What's up, YouTube? Guess who I'm with? Tell me your name, your social security number, your address.
I got you. 3-1. No, I'm just kidding.
Not your number. What's your birthday coming up? How old you turning?
Big 12.
60.
Okay.
12.
Big
That's
12.
it?
Not the little
That's it? 12?
Ain't you turning 37? Oh, okay.
20.
Oh, okay.
Only 20.
27
Yeah.
is crazy.
20. Now Jay turning.
26.
How old she turning?
26.
26?
Or 27.
She turned
26,
26.
because y'all are
She turned
6 years
26.
apart.
Yeah.
Sibling math.
Sibling. Because me and you 8. Me and you 8 and me and RJ 6. And then you and RJ about like 20.
Alright, let me tell you the joke of the day, y'all. What did the farmer say when he lost his tractor? Where's my tractor?
Oh, that just tickle your little spirit. Huh? You are something else. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later because she just. Okay, what's up, YouTube? So I just made it back home right now. I'm about to start cleaning up. Don't mind the music, you know, Aaliyah, you know. Come on now. Let's live. I'm just but I'm about to clean up and stuff like that. You know, I'm about to sweep and stuff and get my room and stuff together. It's a little dirty, you know. I've been working all week, so don't judge, you know. So, but I'm about to get to it. I'm not gonna record because it's like I'm just cleaning up. It's not really nothing really spectacular. But my living room is really pretty much clean. Really nothing in here for real. I really don't be in here like that, but it's just back there in the back. That's it. Honest. I'll talk to y'all later. I don't know when I'm gonna talk to y'all. Probably tomorrow, cause I'm about to clean up, get in the shower, and probably get in bed. Cause I'm tired. Working on that car really drained me. Really drained me. So yeah. So that's that. So I talk to y'all later. I'm on the way to IHOP. I might give me a burger. I don't even like breakfast food like that, honestly. But what? I don't eat breakfast. I wake up late, so I miss all that. Oh, Pop said all the way back. My boy tall. You might have to put your seat up. Yeah, we tall in here.
Yeah, no, right?
My vlog.
You vlogging for YouTube or TikTok?
Samsung.
Okay, y'all.
I think so.
Okay, what's up, y'all? We in IHOP right now. About to order some food. It's my big kid little sister.
Eat her up, show you how you get down.
I'm getting a burger. Starting the day off right. Mother and father say hey. Oh, Pop's got the shades on. I need to go get my shades.
I wore my Chubby G shirt yesterday for 21.
Thank you. Me and my sister got our milkshakes, Oreo milkshakes. And it's only like 11 o'clock in the morning.
12 o'clock in the morning, we started off the
About to get chocolate wasted. Chocolate wasted. Chocolate wasted. You know what I mean? So what's up, y'all? I'm back. And we just got done eating. I ain't showing you no food because when we got our food, we just got right to it. So, yeah. Everybody done. We had a nice milkshake. The milkshakes are gone. So, yeah. Now we about to be on the way to... I forgot where we're going. I forgot where we're going. But I'll figure out later. Nice drinks. Hold on. My camera been quick. Indiana. They real good. I might buy me a drink. Look at this mirror, though. But yeah, it's dark in here. Here go my bald head little sister.
Who you talking to like that?
Oh Lord, look. Vloggy vlog with the fam this weekend.
1, 2. You want to? No, I got one. Oh.
Here's the menu. I got some nice stuff here. They so good. They got so many. I got so much stuff on here. Look at all these flavors they got. Oh, this is so big. Look how big these straws are.
They're like milkshake straws.
Then they got the shakes. They got buku stuff here, y'all. Y'all gotta come check them out. But yeah. You order some drinks, and then we're going to Barton's. I think that's a furniture place, right? We're going to a furniture place. That's a furniture, you know. And then we're going to where we going? Press Play.
Yeah,
Press Play. And we're going to Press Play. And then we should be going to an escape room. That's gonna be mad funny, but we don't know yet. When I got a Reese's. Would you try it? You're not gonna try it? Oh yeah, I'll talk to you later. So y'all got my drink. This will look like, and it's called XOXO. It's right there. If you come here, get XOXO. It's the best drink on the market. And this place is called, yeah. But make sure you stir it up. And she's making a shake right now. It's right there, though. But yeah, maybe whipping it up in her. I think everybody got it. That's up.
Daddy got a pineapple one.
Okay, y'all. So we at what is this place again? Barton's, the furniture store. We about to go here and just buy the whole store. Ooh, look at my skin. Oh, dude. My bodyguard. Pops was my bodyguard.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, that bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high.
Yeah, we making TikToks. So, hold on. Her phone's tweaking right now. I don't know what's doing. You don't get no service out here. Are y'all waiting for us? So y'all, we in the furniture store. We making TikToks while they were looking at furniture. And I don't know how to do the TikTok like that, but I'm about to try. I haven't danced in so long. I don't be dancing like that no more, y'all. I'm a retired dancer. So she told me to go like boom, boom, boom. Hit the slow. And then with the other arm.
I mean business.
Is there a filter on here? Got me. What is this? What?
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying, that bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them the lights down right now. Put me in the
Me, but it failed. I don't got no service. Okay, y'all, so we just made it to press play. Press play.
Lace front lift, it ain't even go.
We had to sit on 56, but I told your mama once you look at this, I said shit.
Alright, y'all. So we just made it to press play. It's just like it's just like Dave and Buster's but bigger. But I don't know what we supposed to do. Are we supposed to check in right here? So y'all, we at press play right now. We just walked around and we're gonna do an hour in here because there's not that many games. I thought it was gonna be way more, but I guess not. So we're gonna be in here for an hour, and then after we leave here, we're going to the escape room. And then after that, I don't know what we're doing. But yeah, this is a little family day. Press play really cool. There's not a lot of games and stuff for everybody, but they don't have that many games. It's cool and all, but yeah, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, so now they about to do a 3-point contest. It's just my little sister and my pop doing it. This pop's turn, he about to, let's see. Ooh. Mama, little sis, watching. But yeah. Let's go. I'm not really a hooper, they the hoopers.
Yeah, you used to be.
Well, yeah, I used to be a hooper, but now I'm not really. I really was though. Really went undefeated for real, but hey. We don't talk about Bruno.
Told me where he be, I say for sure. Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know. Just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes, Jimmy Choo?
So y'all, we about to do the Nerf.
Oh, we about to have play.
We about to do the Nerf wars with Mama. They did. We about to do it with them too. Wait, y'all not going? Yeah, they not doing it. It's just us three. Okay.
You just need to get a Nerf pass.
Okay. Yeah, so look at my gun. Yeah, it's about to get serious in here. Look at this. You see this? What? I know y'all see this. Yeah. Stop playing with me. Everybody getting their gun. There go hers. There go mine. Yeah, mama getting hers right now. Then we just waiting. We're about to be in there. Bring it too heavy in here. So y'all, I got my mask and I got my gun. And you got to pack it back.
Hell nah, yo, she good.
Come on.
We're blue.
Man. Y'all not ready.
Hold on, wait. I can't see all my glasses. Wait,
The balls go in her.
Wait, she got what? I should have got that one. But yeah, y'all, it's getting serious. I'll talk to y'all later.
Super ground. Say you my nigga, I'ma be your killer. Nobody gonna play with you when I'm with you. Go against any nigga like fuck this glitter. Skeet all third on bitches. I put it in for you, I spin for you. Whatever you with, I'm with it. How you gon' cross a nigga? I'm rockin' with you, I got you lit in the city. I been multitasking, rapping and being a daddy to my little children. I been spending on business and spending this.
What's up, video? So we just pulled up to Hampton Town Center. Waiting for our parents right now. Last time I talked to y'all, I was getting tagged up in the face by mama. I go shopping and get her birthday outfit, but she don't know what she want. But it's like a outlet mall, so we got zoomies.
Boys.
No, we need. Yeah, I'll talk to y'all later. What's up, y'all? So we on the way back to my pop's house, and y'all, I was so tired. I literally didn't eat it, nothing. I was at the table falling asleep. I just started getting so sleepy. And plus, I woke up mad early, and I was just running off like a couple hours of sleep too. I just need a little nap. So I might go take a little nap at my pop's house. And then we should be going bowling later, I think. So stay tuned for that. So I just got done editing this video, right? And I noticed I did not end the vlog. Like it just left off with like a cliffhanger. So 2 days later, and no, we did not go bowling or nor to the escape room. We went to my pop's house and fell asleep and woke up. It was the next day. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. And tune into the next vlog. Yes, sir. Big back.